Welcome to our room. This is the junior suite at the ParkRoyal on Pickering. So 2 years ago we had our wedding here, and it was great. It was awesome, and we really enjoyed our room. So we're just back here again to experience it all over again. I mean, not getting married, but the room. So yeah. So right here you have the mini bar. So currently it's not stocked. I'm not sure, maybe it's because of COVID season, and they removed everything that is in the mini bar to, for hygiene purposes. Okay. So here we have our own bottle of wine, a kettle, Nespresso machine, and Nespresso capsules. And here we have tea, WGT, sugar, creamer, all that you need in 2 cups. And more glasses for alcoholics like us, I suppose. I'm joking. Right, so if you walk this way, it's actually another area where you can enter the toilet by. So this is just where it's quite maybe. Never mind. This is where the toilet is, right? So never mind. We'll complete the toilet in a while. So if you look around here, it's actually the living room area and the study desk, and it also is facing a pretty nice view of the city. Yeah, I love the view here. It's just so much to see. There's like some traditional buildings over here, and just in the distance you see all the nice high-rise buildings of Singapore's very beautiful skyline. Right, so as you walk in here, you actually get to see the bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. Sorry, there's only one bedroom, but it also faces a nice green scenery right here. And right here you get to see Hong Lim Park. Yeah, so it's actually really comfortable and really relaxing. So I think there are like blinds here, and the blinds are what's it called, electronic, right? So there's a switch of a button somewhere around there at the bedside, and you can just like see it go up on its own and go down its own. It's very cool. Okay, I guess you get a point. Right, so let's move on to the washroom. So what I really love about this washroom is there are 2 separate sinks. So one for me and one for my significant other. No fighting. So right here is the toilet, and so you can just do your business here and shut the door and have some privacy. So right here, I love it when rooms have bathtubs, and a bathtub facing nice greenery. Yeah, so right here is actually the shower area, just right next to the bathtub. Yeah, which is quite easily accessible, right? Like imagine you just come up from the bathtub all soapy and everything, haha, and then you just come in and shower. Yeah, so that's what I like about this whole setup. So here I'm noticing that they give us body cleanser, conditioner, and shampoo by Metis. Yeah, so back to the sink. They also give us body cream lotion, toothpaste, toothbrush, shaving kit, shower caps, and etc. And towels and everything of this section. Ooh, nice! Hair dryer, very important. Right. So of everything here, I really love the minimalist feel to the room. It also facing the greenery as well as a nice mix of Singapore's traditional buildings and the newer buildings in the distance. And also you get to see like a nice sky as well, so it's very relaxing. I'm very excited to stay here and see ya. Bye bye.